Hey guys, good day. I trust your day is going well. If you're watching this video, it means that you declared interest in learning forex because I'm going to be demystifying forex from the scratch down to where you are comfortably trading with profits. All right. So I don't have plans to make this video very long or long at all. But I want you to understand first that if you're in this video, it means you want to learn forex from the beginning. Okay, what is forex? Forex is just a foreign exchange market. All right, this is a place where transactions go on. You either buy in the market or you sell in the market. All right, when you open a chart, once you have downloaded your app and you tap any of them, you go to the charts. Okay, when you touch the chart, okay, it opens up this kind of thing, and you see a lot of people get confused because they don't understand what is happening here. Things are just going up and down, going up and down, going up and down, and it doesn't make sense to them. Of course, it can't make sense to a beginner. All right, now the point of this video is to make us understand the real intent, the real thing that makes our market to move. There are two things you can actually do in the market. It's either you are buying in the market or you are selling in the market. All right, so there are scenarios that grant you easy access to know that this is the right time to sell or this is the right time to buy in the market. A little mistake you make in the market, you lose your money. If you do it very well, you gain money from the market. All right, so these are the things that we need to understand before we start going into a live account. And forex is just a foreign exchange market where buyers and sellers run a transaction. Okay, now I trust okay, we should be on the same plane before I start telling you about these candles. So please just do me a favor. I wouldn't want our charts to be different, so let's just be on the same plane. Okay, so first thing, I want you to tap your screen, just single tap. When you tap the screen, to bring out this kind of thing, to bring out this ring like structure here. So tap on this setting, this particular place. Once you tap it, okay, you see things like this. Okay, so you are going to touch the colors. When you touch the color, you see a formation like this. Please, I want you to touch this place that is written custom, then tap on color on white. Once you tap it, please try and pause this video. Make sure your setup is like this: black, white, green, red, the same way it is here. Okay, the same way it is here. You can pause your screen to do that. Thank you very much. Once you are done, tap on this done that is here, and that will be all for now. Okay, so you should see a thing like this. You should see your chart this way. Okay, first of all, D signifies the action of both buyers and sellers. Once you see a green candle, just know that buyers are buying. Okay, these are called the bullish candles or the bull candles. Okay, once you see the green candles, it means the buyers are buying. So if you put in your money at this particular point and you start making profit, immediately start going in your favor. If it comes down the way it came down here, your money will reduce. If it goes up, you see your money going up again. All right, so this is the things that you do in the market. You are either buying in the market or you are selling in the market. All right, a lot of people scalp. I don't do scalping. Sorry, I will bring us to that much later. But you can comfortably leave a trade. Like this trade took, this is a 1 hour time frame. It means for every candle that is seen here, it took that candle 1 hour to form. So from here to here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 candles to reach from here to here. That means it took 15 hours for this thing to get from here to here. You see why you should comfortably leave your trade and go your way and not even bother about it, and come back and see your money piled up in your account. Okay, so that is that. First of all, you must understand, don't get confused when you open a chart. Once the chart is open, you should be able to know, what am I seeing in the market? What am I seeing in this chart? I'm seeing green and red candles. Every green candle signifies the buying candles. They are all bullish candles. All the red candles signifies the selling candles. Whoever is buying when he should sell will lose in the market. Whoever is selling when he should buy will lose in the market. So you must understand that it's not just about seeing the chart like this. We must know when to enter the market and when not to enter the market. Okay, so the second thing I'm going to say now in this video is how to place a trade. All right, you can either buy in the market or you sell in the market. These are the two things you can do in the market. All right, so for us to know that, please tap on this button that is here. I'm just trying to teach you how to place a trade. We have not even started trading already. So once you tap this button here, you see market execution. Okay, either sell or buy. So these are the two things you can do in the market. All right, we can use a very low lot size. Sorry about that. So let's place a trade. What should we do? Just tell me what you want me to do. Okay, I think I heard you say buy. Okay, I am buying in the market, right? And automatically, okay, it is moving 0 point. Okay, it has entered into gain. I'm gaining. I've lost again. Now these are the things that happen. I didn't analyze this particular trade. I'm just entering it like that. Now the trade is reading, and if you are seeing blue colors like this, it means you are in profit. If it's red colors, you are in losses. How do I close a trade? Maybe the trade is going against you and you want to close the trade so that you don't lose your money anymore. What you need to do is, okay, this trade is making you want me to leave it. Okay then, but what you need to do is you long press it. Once you long press it, you go to the close position, you tap the close position, and you go to take profit with $1, close with $1 profit, and once you leave it, you are done. So the money has been credited to your account. All right, so that is what you need to know in the market. I've taught you how to place a trade. I've taught you how to close a trade in case it's going against you. All right, so that is what I need you to understand in the market. Is either you are buying or you are selling in the market. All right, so secondly, these are the candles. I can try to show you the candles. All right, and I told you that these candles are just bearish candles. The green candles are buying candles. So this is a little thing I need you to know in the market. Like I said, I wouldn't want this video to be very long. I just want you to understand what is happening so you don't get confused when you open a chart. Okay, you can actually do one or two things in the market. Is either you are buying in the market or you are selling in the market. Okay, so please, I would like us to run a little setup on these things that are over here. Okay, just these little things that are over here. So how do we place these things? These are the things that will help us or guide us in our trading. Okay, please tap on the F button here. Once you tap it, let me delete this one. Once you tap that F, please locate moving average. This is a moving average, and you tap it. Okay, so please, the same way it is here, period 200. Please pause the video, make sure your settings are like this, then you press on done. Okay, then you see this red, this indicator is out now. Please tap that F again, tap this one to locate moving average here, then please type 144. Okay, then exponential, then please change the color to black. All right, please, anywhere you tap 2 pixel, it will open. Color black, you can choose anything you want to choose. Then when you are done, you press on the done. See, this one is out. Then we're going to set it again. Tap the F again, then this F2, then locate your moving average, and please, now we're going to type this as 20. We're going to make use of 20 MA, 20 EMA. Okay, sorry, simple. Change this to simple. Tap where the simple is, tap the simple, and change the color to red, and you are done. Okay, so that is that. So I think you should see something that looks like this, right? So this moving average, they only show you trend line. They show trend lines, they show lines also, they show other things. So it means as it's moving, you know that it's not going over the 200 EMA. That means the bearish trend is still valid. All right, whenever it goes above it, just know that is about market structure is about to change. But then that is not what I want to teach you. I just want you to understand what the market is all about. All right. So I don't have indicator strategy because I wouldn't want to leave you like that. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to send a link of I'm going to send an indicator strategy that I would like you to just practice. I want you to practice it because I can't start teaching you price action from today. It's going to be too much on you. All right. So I'm going to put down an indicator strategy that you're going to just trade with. Just use it for today. By the next video we'll move over. By now you should be understanding what we are talking about. When you open a chart, I'm tilting my screen. When you open a chart, you see something that looks like this. So the first thing that goes into the mind of anybody, this is confusing, I don't understand what is moving on here. No problem, you don't have an issue. But first of all, understand how to place a trade. Understand that there are two actions in the market. It's either you are buying or you are selling in the market, and I can actually buy or sell. If I sell whenever the market is buying, I will lose my money. If I buy whenever the market is selling, I will still lose my money. You only make money when you are buying in the direction of the market. So if the market is buying and you are buying, it means that you are going to make money in the market. So these are the little things I would like you to just put in your mind and understand. The indicators we just put in now, we're going to be making use of them a little bit later. I don't want to bother you with so much of things to do. I've taught you how to place a trade, how we can know place a trade, either you buy or you sell. Okay. And I'm going to share an indicator strategy. That is what we are going to be starting with. At least you have something to look up to as you are trading today. After this video, first, you have known the setup. We've done our setup. We have talked about the candles, what they represent. I said the green candles, they represent buying. They are called the bullish candles. The red candles, they represent selling. They are called the bearish candles. I've taught you how to place a trade, how that you tap on the plus here. Once you tap on the plus, you do one or two things. It's either you are buying or you are selling. Now, we were buying before. We bought before in the market, and we went into a little profit. But now, because we have not done any analysis, it's not proper that we do any transaction in the market, so that we don't end up losing our money. All right. So it's either you are buying or you are selling in the market. All right. So that is how to place a trade, and it will be reading. This one, I placed this one some time ago. It's been it's since morning, and it's just like this. Okay, not really like since morning, but some time ago, a while ago, I placed the trade, and it's been going. I don't really bother about it because I know it will finally reach where I want it to get to. All right, let me show you where I positioned it to get to. So if you look at it from a higher time frame, what I'm saying here is that this market will move to break this resistance that is up here, retrace back again, continue moving. So it's not a trade that we finish under 1 hour. It will take days, many days to get to that, like 4 days, 2 to 3 to 4 days, it will get to where I want it to get to. But for now, I'm just trading it little by little. I am not even bothered. It's been there the same way for a long time. All right. So these are the things I would like you to understand. Once you open your market, you see a lot of things that look very confusing. Don't get confused about it. Just know that looking at it, you should understand that sellers were selling, and that is why market was going the same way it was going. Sellers have been selling. A little buyers came into the market, but sellers still pulled it down. You understand? So a lot of people are selling in this market, and that is why the market is moving the same way it's moving. At this position, market began to sell. That was why I sold the market, and it's been selling till now, and I'm on $4.2, and I use a very low lot size to sell this market. So these are the little things I would like you to understand in the market. I'm going to drop an indicator strategy just below the link, so that you could just practice with it today and know how to place a trade. The indicator strategy will only tell you when to place a trade and when not to place a trade. I don't use indicator strategy because it's not been consistent it always gets into losses. A lot of time it leads people into losses, but price action is the best, and my pattern is price action strategy. Okay, so I think I've shown you a little of it, a little of the one I did over here. So all these things are just a result of the price action, the analysis that I was able to run in the market. You will get to this point, but we need to start it little by little. I think that we need to start it little by little. If I'm able to tilt the screen, you'll see what the transactions that I made. These are called price action strategy. Okay, it's not hard. Forget the way it is. It is not hard. It's very easy. It's very simple. All right. So these are the little things that we'll learn. But for now, let us just do a little of indicator strategies. I'll drop a link so that you could um, trade on indicators. The indicator will tell you now sell, now buy, now sell, now buy. At least do it for today. By the next video, you should be able to understand what price action is all about, support and resistance, how to draw trend lines. These are trend lines. These are trend lines. These are trend lines. These things, they are all trend lines. How to draw your trend lines, how to place your trade, how to run analysis, and you should be able to start trading comfortably. Right, so that will be all for this video. Thank you very much. If you have a question, you could ask me. My number will just be just below. Please do well to subscribe so that you could get all the videos that I will be releasing. Thank you very much. God bless you. This is Kings FX. Subscribe below and like the video. Thank you.